video tutorial, I'll be showing you how to perform a translation. We will be discussing 3 separate examples. So in order to perform a translation, each point of the original figure must move in the same direction and same distance. So let's take a look at our diagram. So we have points A and B and C that form the original figure, which is called the triangle. And you'll notice that there's a separate triangle made up of A prime, B prime, and C prime. That apostrophe looking mark, in math we call it a prime. The prime lets us know that that is the new point after the point has been translated. So in order to move from point A to point A prime, we move 6 units to the right. In order to move from B to B prime, we move 6 units to the right. To move point C to C prime, we move 6 points or 6 units to the right. Here's another example of a translation. Here we have another triangle made up of points J, K, L. And it's going to be translated, as you can tell in the diagram, 2 units to the right and 4 units up. So after point J moves 2 units to the right and 4 units up, it is now at J prime. When L moves 2 units right and 4 units up, it is now at L prime. Lastly, K moves 2 units to the right and 4 units up, it is now at K prime. So every point in the original figure, J, K, L, moves in the same direction and same distance in order to achieve the new image, J prime, K prime, L prime. Here's one more example of a translation. Here we have points A, B, and C that form the original figure, which is a triangle. Every point will move 2 units left and 3 units up. Did I say that incorrectly? If so, let me repeat. Every point will move 2 units left and 3 units up. So point A, 2 units left and 3 units up, now is at A prime. Point B moves 2 units left and 3 units up, and it is now at B prime. Point C moves 2 units left and 3 units up, and is now at C prime. Hope those 3 separate examples help you understand what is a translation.